Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Outlook inbox looks like a digital jungle, packed with unread messages, newsletters, and spam, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the complete guide on how to delete emails in bulk on Outlook. Whether you're using it for work or personal use, by the end of this video, your inbox will finally feel organized and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Click Sign In, then enter your email and a password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. This is your control center where all your emails live. Next, navigate to the Mail section. You can do this by clicking the small envelope icon or selecting Mail from the sidebar. This will open your inbox and show your focus and other tabs, which is where we'll be working. Now it's time to clear the clutter. To delete multiple emails at once, click the checkbox at the top of your inbox, right next to the Focus tab. This selects all visible emails on the current page. Take a quick moment to review your selection so you don't accidentally delete anything important. Once your emails are selected, click the three-dot icon, also known as More Actions. From the drop-down menu, choose Delete. Outlook will instantly move all selected emails to your Deleted Items folder. That's it. Your inbox just got a major cleanup. Now, here's something important. When you delete emails in Outlook, they aren't gone forever right away. They first move to the Deleted Items folder. If you change your mind, you can open that folder, select the emails you want back, and click Recover, as long as it's within Outlook's retention period. After that, they'll be permanently deleted, freeing up even more space. And that's it. Your inbox is officially decluttered. Deleting emails in bulk on Outlook is one of the easiest ways to keep things organized and improve performance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.